Hello and welcome to the new video for the channel Bitcoin is Simple. If you're not a subscriber, subscribe right now so you don't miss our next videos about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Alright guys, so in this video I'm here to talk about the importance of storing your funds, of storing your cryptocurrencies in a safe way. As you probably know, there are many hackers around the world trying to steal your funds, trying to steal other people's funds every single second. So it's very important to store your cryptocurrency in a safe way. There are many types of wallets, and the wallets are the software or hardware wallets that you can store your cryptocurrency. But there are types that are better than the other ones. For example, many years ago, it was very popular to have the web wallets. What are the web wallets? The web wallets are services that you can create your account in a website, and then you can have your wallet, you can have your Bitcoin wallet. But this is not recommended nowadays. In someone's website, in someone's server, you don't really own your cryptocurrency, so it's very easy for you to lose your cryptocurrency. There is also another option, that is the software wallet, and it's very recommended. It's much better than the web wallet, and one of the most famous ones is Electrum. It's a very good wallet, but there is a problem that has been happening, and it's related to the auto update of the wallet. Many people are getting hacked by this auto update. It means that if you have a very old version of the wallet and you try to auto update using the auto update from the software, you can get into a fake version of the wallet because hackers are hijacking the update servers, and there are cases of people that get hacked because they use a very old version and try to auto update the version. So what happens is that they are believing that they are getting an official update from the server, but it's actually a fake version, and so hackers can get access to their funds. A very good way to avoid that is to always use the official website from Electrum and verify that you are downloading the official version so you can avoid this problem. So if you take care, this kind of wallet is much better than the web wallet. But I'm here to talk actually about the hardware wallets. The hardware wallets are much better than any type of wallets, because using a hardware wallet, you have to press a physical button so you can confirm your transaction. So even if a hacker can get access to your computer or your phone or whatever, this hacker will need to be able to press a physical button on the physical device, so it's impossible to get hacked. That's why I highly recommend that if you really want to store your funds in a safe, in a secure way, that you use a hardware wallet like Ledger Nano wallet. I will put the link so you can buy the official version of the Ledger Nano X. That is the new version of the wallet, and it's the best option for you to store your cryptocurrency. Don't be lazy and buy a Ledger wallet. It's worth it. It's not so expensive, and you can make sure that your funds will be safe. You can make sure that your funds will be secure, because again, to make a transaction using this kind of wallet, it is a physical device. It looks like a flash drive. It looks like a regular flash drive, but you can store your funds and you cannot get hacked, because to move the funds, to move your balance, you need to press a physical button. So even if your computer gets virus, or even if a hacker get access to your computer, they will not be able to move your funds. So this is by far the best option to store your cryptocurrency. Again, I will put the link to the website so you can buy directly from the company that makes Ledger Nano X, that is Ledger in France. So I will put the link to their website right below this video that you are watching right now. Again, be careful with fake versions of websites. Buy only from the official website that I am going to leave in the video description. Don't buy from third parties because it makes no sense. If you are trying to use a genuine version, if you are trying to use something to improve your security, and you go ahead and buy from a third party that you don't even know if you can trust or not the device. So buy only from the official website that I'm going to put in the video description. So I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Leave a comment, leave a like, and see you next time.